Hey, let me show you how we can disable Game Booster on a Samsung S25. It's a little bit tricky, but it really works. So take a look. We have to start by opening settings. And then we have to go into notifications. Next, you have to navigate into into app notifications, never mind. Click on three dots in the right upper corner and select Show System Applications. Then you have to search for Game Booster. It will be located somewhere here. Open it, and right now, as you can see, there is no any settings, but when you tap right here, we will be redirected into app notifications, and you have to select this one, allow permission, disable them, and don't appear at the top. Now click to stop, click OK, and take a look. When you open the game, it doesn't pop up on the screen, and even on this bar right here. So that's how you can actually completely turn it off. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.